Welcome back. Will Worsham and Bruce Porter join us now for this week's Speaking Legal discussion. And, of course, we're going to talk about money as well. How you guys doing?
We're doing great.
Real good.
Yeah.
All right, good.
Yeah, it's nice out.
It's very nice out.
We're here doing this and not mulching.
That's true.
It's
there will be
perfect.
plenty of time for mulching. We'll be complaining
Yeah.
about the mulching soon enough. And I know you're a big gardener.
Yeah,
So
you
you'll
know.
be all over that. You guys have one of your, I always want to call it a road show. I don't know why. It's like a big road show.
It should be a road show.
It should be a road show.
Yeah.
You take your acts on the road, but
We
you
could
do
make
have
it a
one of
road
your
show.
seminars coming up.
Yeah.
When is that?
April 16th over at the office, 1304 East Kingsley.
Okay.
So we put on a little dog and pony show about the basics of estate planning.
It's the dog. This is the pony.
I get to be the pony.
Okay.
No, I don't think so.
Give me the pony. Got it. So
Yeah.
you've got a little bit of room left in this one. It's not completely full, correct?
Yeah, we got some room, and it's always a good discussion, and everybody enjoys it.
Of course.
Yeah, so that's a good thing. You know, the one thing that we've identified in doing these workshops, that a lot of people have been surprised. Oh, we've already got that done, but we haven't reviewed our plan in the last 5 or 10 years. We did it, and we really kind of forgot. So they bring it in, and they let us take a look at it and just go over it with them. You'd be surprised how many people think they have something that don't. They think they've got a trust, and they don't. They've got a living will. Or they think they've got everything funded, and they find out they have nothing funded. So if nothing else, at least we're making people aware that you need to pay attention to your estate plans. I think
True.
you'd agree with
Yeah,
that.
I would. A lot of times people maybe have a will, and they think, well, I don't have to go to probate. I've got a will. Well, that's
Right.
not the
Not
way wills
true.
work. It's not true. And so we just have the opportunity to kind of walk through, hey, what is estate planning? What works? What doesn't work? What's good for some people isn't good for other people? And what kind of options do I have to protect my estate? And really, it's more about protecting your family than it is protecting your estate. And that's what we really want to do, is preserve that family, those familial relationships. Money's just money. Stuff's just stuff.
Right.
Yeah.
But it's the stuff that people and families fight over.
That's right.
True, and I think of this as a gift to your family.
It absolutely
to all
is.
those survivors out there that are still left behind with this.
Absolutely.
You are doing them a favor. This is something, I mean, if you really, really love your people, you'll get this done.
Conflict
right? Am I
over
right?
money and stuff comes
Oh,
when there's a death.
yeah.
And those are, you know, if we can prevent that, keep the peace, that's what it's all about.
I agree. And when you said, to your point a few minutes ago, when people haven't revisited what's in their trust or what they've started on and what they haven't finished, a beneficiary that shouldn't even be there anymore, and
Right.
something that's not included. What are some of the most hair-raising things that you've seen that you've had to say, this is something we have to change, like right now?
I've seen beneficiaries listed that were deceased. I've seen families that they think they've got everything funded in the trust and find out they have nothing funded in the trust. They think that they had their house in there. They did at one time, but they sold their house, they downsized, they moved on, they bought another house. It didn't get into the trust. Same way with vehicles, boats, motors, trailers. Trying to sell a vehicle that you don't own because the corporation that owned it is out of business 20 years ago, even though it was yours, but it's dissolved, and now you can't transfer title of the vehicle because you technically don't own the vehicle.
I am not laughing because it's funny.
We
It's
just
not
addressed
funny.
that.
But
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
just thinking, when you said that, I mean, how often do we buy a car or something like that?
Well, I think that's the
You know,
most disappointing
a
thing
lot.
to me, is
Yeah.
to see somebody that's gone to the time, trouble, and expense to meet with a lawyer,
That's right.
have a trust drafted, and then they never fund it. You know, when the time comes when they pass away, that the trust doesn't own anything,
Yeah.
so it's completely ineffective.
That's right.
And they did all that work and spent all that money for nothing because they didn't keep up with it. Or they weren't given good guidance by the attorney that they saw about how to get that funded. That's why when we put packages together, I don't give people their trust until they prove to me it's funded. We go a little bit extra for folks to make
Yeah,
sure
and
it
when you
gets
say
taken care of.
funded, I think what you mean is putting things in the name of the trust,
That's correct.
right? It's not like you're dumping a bunch of money in the trust. You're taking the things you own and you're putting them in the name of the trust because it hinges on that.
That's
when
right.
it's all said and done.
So we take all this stuff and we make it exciting.
I know, and
so
makes it easy too.
You can't
which, thank
afford to
goodness.
miss these workshops because they're dynamic, they're enlightening, They make you feel good when you leave. You get cookies. It's great.
Who wouldn't want to spend a couple hours or
That's
whatever
right.
it is with
No,
these
it's not even
two?
that.
That's
I mean,
right.
come on, it's a party every
Yeah.
single
And,
day.
you know, we'll give away a couple of these books if you'll sign up. You get a free copy. I mean,
Let me hold this
we
up.
make it a whole lot of fun.
Bruce's
So-
book, The Courage to Retire, which is a very, very good book. I told you, I actually wrote a nice Amazon review, and I
Yes,
meant
you
every
did.
word of it. It's a great book. It's got a lot of good information in it.
That's right.
Will,
And-
where's your book? Have you read the book
It's
yet?
it's still in my head.
Okay.
He wrote
Okay.
the forward.
I can't. Yeah, I did. I wrote the forward to Bruce's book.
All right, get that on paper,
Yeah.
and we're going to continue this conversation.
Yeah, no pressure.
On the other side of the break, no pressure at all. But don't forget, if you have a legal question for Will, he does answer those. wworsham@color10.com, and he'll get to that on the show one day. Now, up next, stay around because the party continues.
That's right.
With these two guys. We'll be right back on Ozarks Live.